All right. So before we begin with creating our model, the first thing to do is go ahead and we have to do a few things to set up the project. First, we're going to have to create a cloud project. So, come to your page. I created one called Plates, but it's really easy to create a new project over here. This will be my course project. You need to choose an organization. There we go. And I don't have an organization or anything, and then we can just create it. When you create the project, that's the first step. We'll then have to go ahead and make sure billing is enabled for our project. How do you do that? You sign into the cloud, making sure your billing is enabled. My course project, billing. So you will need to go to billing, and you will need to have this enabled to do anything. Yeah, so enable billing, put a credit card in there. You won't be charged because you will have the $300 credit from signing up with my link, and Google AutoML gives you free credits. Before we begin, enable the APIs. So before, I used to do it in a different way. I didn't enable it this way. I would actually go to the vision. I'd actually go here, go to APIs, libraries, type in the, really I want AutoML. I feel like they. There we go. This is the Cloud AutoML API that we want. And you go ahead and click. You can then install gcloud and get all of that running as well. I will let you do that if you're interested in it. It is not necessary to do. It does make some things easier, but for me and my computer, it gave me a real pain. So we're going to skip it. I will have an optional section in the end that potentially goes over that.